Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Like, I can barely talk right now because I am so excited. I'm just coming off of watching Jeffree's brand new video of the Orgy palette release. I am literally tripping out, guys. It is so much better than I could have imagined. Jeffree literally slayed the entire collection. So this video today, we're gonna be doing a first impressions of what I think of first seeing the palette, first seeing the collection, and we're just gonna talk. I know so many of you are just as excited as I am, and I love creating somewhere for us to just be able to talk about this gorgeous collection. I know so many of you have been waiting all day like me to watch the video. There was a little bit of a delay, so I'm so happy it's finally out. Guys, I'm obsessed with this collection. I don't think Jeffree could have done a better job. It is Jeffree but nude. So yeah, guys, for today's video, we're gonna be doing a deep dive into the collection. We're gonna be looking at all of the things that are in the collection and doing a discussion and what I think about the collection. So if you wanna get into that with me, then please keep watching. Okay guys, first, so what are our thoughts on this palette, the Orgy palette itself, the big 30 pan one? So this guy is going for $62 US, which is a little bit high, but makes sense because there are a lot of extra shades, more than what we're used to getting from Jeffree. So I think it's a pretty fair price given that it's honestly the best formula on the market. Guys, I am so excited because as you guys know here on this channel, I use Jeffree Star Cosmetics very prevalently. It's my absolute favorite brand, and I've always had to, for my nudes, reach into Natasha Denona, reach into other brands that I'm not really as in love with the formula. So I am so happy that I don't have to do that anymore. This is the perfect palette, guys. I am obsessed with it. Now, let's take a look at the actual palette itself. So I think while there are some repeat shades, it's very much catering to absolutely every skin tone out there. If he was gonna do a nude collection, you know that he's going to make sure everybody is covered and everyone can use it. So while there are a lot of similar shades, I really do see me getting a lot of use out of it. A lot of people out there getting a ton of use out of it, out of all of the shades really. Whereas with cremated, I found more. I didn't really find too much of a difference when I would put the actual shades on my eyes. It would look very similarly in a lot of the looks I would do. I feel like with this palette, we're getting a different enough range where you could do a really soft look, a really deep look. We have that black in there. We have that darker row. You can do really light looks. It is honestly so perfect. And when you pair it with that mini palette, okay, I've said this once and I'll say it again. I have wanted champagne colors from Jeffree so badly. Actually, today I'm wearing androgyny on the eyes. It's the only champagne-y color I have from him, and I'm obsessed with it. When he opened that mini palette, I gasped and literally got goosebumps on my arms. It is the perfect gold palette. It has all those light shimmers I've been absolutely craving. And as per usual, guys, the mini palette goes for $28 US. It's a bomb formula. I'm obsessed with this collection. I cannot stress it enough. I know it's kind of annoying to put all of the mattes in one palette and all of the shimmers in one, but keep in mind that some people really don't like shimmers. Some people find that it ages them and it's not their favorite thing. So the fact that those people get the option of having all matte and then choosing to get the shimmer is awesome. Yes, it's a little annoying for us that have to buy both of the palettes, but honestly, they are so beautiful and it is so beyond worth it. As we know, Jeffree Star has the best formula on the market, in my opinion, and I've tried everything from high end to low end. Especially the high end stuff ends up not coming even close to how good his stuff is. Honestly, I love the packaging and the details of everything. I love that he's on the cover with those letters that are actually big size letters that he posed on. I think that is so amazing. As per usual, the campaign photography was stunning. Everything looks so good. I love the softness of this palette. I know maybe a few of you feel the same way. I'm getting a little bit of Kim K vibes from the entire collection because her thing is so based on like nude vibe. This is really similar to that, but it's done Jeffree style, so it's so much better in my opinion. Of course, I am biased, but like it's so much better. I am in love, guys. Those two shades in the corner for the mini palette, I I almost screamed. I'm gonna hit pan on that so fast. I might as well buy 3 or 4 because I'm gonna hit pan on it. I know it. And guys, as per usual, when Jeffree released yesterday the name of the palette, there was, as always, some drama surrounding that. I'm gonna throw up a tweet here. Somebody mentioned, oh, you know, there's 12-year-olds that buy your brand, and how could you name it this? Honestly, guys, that's absolutely ridiculous. If you're familiar with the brand NARS, you know some of the absolutely wild things that they have as their names for their blushes and other items. It's not fair. If you're gonna single out one person, you have to do it to everybody. There's lots of sexually suggestive names out there. Urban Decay has really odd names out there, so I really feel like that's not valid. But as per usual, guys, whenever Jeffree has a launch, somebody needs to put in their 2 cents, always. Okay, guys, now let's talk about these stunning glosses. I am literally dead for each and every one. I can't even see myself skipping on one of them. As per usual, guys, these go for $18. There's 6 brand new shades and they are stunning. Wow, when Jeffree does nude, he does nude. And no, I'm not trying to kiss ass. These are actually so freaking nice. Like, I'm dead. Another brand new thing is the new Magic Star formula. As per usual, guys, these are going for $22 US each. And that is a pretty fair price. They're an awesome powder. I actually own the translucent one. It's very stark white. So this time I'm definitely going to be going for the beige or honey color because that was just way, way, way too light for me. But if you want it for baking, girl, like it will leave like it'll give you a cut. Like, it is good stuff. I'm really excited that this one has more of an illuminating vibe to it. It's a little bit like the Jaclyn Hill powders that she put out. I never actually tried those because I'm not a giant fan of that, but I'm really excited to try these from Jeffree. I think they're gonna be so beautiful. Can we for a minute talk about this lipstick vault? My eyes must have bulged out of my head when I saw this thing, guys. It's $160 US. It's very expensive, yes, but I have to have it. As a collector of Jeffree Star Cosmetics stuff, just the way he's made it, the aesthetic when you open it, I'm such a nude lover for my lips. If you've noticed in my videos, I'm either wearing a nude or a pop of red, pretty much. I am in love. I cannot wait to have every single one of these nude shades. Even with the shades that are too light for you, you can definitely pair it with a darker liner and then put the nuder shade in your lip, and it just doubles the size of your lip. It looks so glamorous. I'm planning to do that with so many of the glosses that he's putting out as well because they are so beautiful. And as for all the little accessories, the mirrors are stunning. I love the aesthetic of everything. I love those fuzzy teddy sweaters. They're extra giving me Kim K vibes, but I really, really love them. I'm from Canada, so it gets super chilly here in the fall and winter, so they would be absolutely lovely to cozy up in. As per usual, guys, the packaging of everything has been absolutely slayed. I love the gold and the pinky nude moment going on. I love the gold component of the gloss. It's so stunning, guys. Everything ended up so beyond what I was expecting. It's 10 times better than I was expecting. I definitely love this more than the cremated collection and even more than the bloodlust collection. This, I think, is going to sell like hotcakes. Everyone who is afraid of color is definitely going to be jumping into this because, guys, there is nothing like this formula. Before Jeffree's formula, I didn't even think that I could blend eyeshadow out. It would always be patchy on me. His formula, it was the first time I really gained some confidence in my skill and I really started loving my eye looks. And I am so happy that now we have an entire nude collection in his amazing formula. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And guys, I don't even need to say it. You already know that on this channel, when Jeffree does a giant launch or mystery boxes, I create a mystery box filled with Jeffree Star Cosmetics for one lucky subscriber. And now we have a perfect opportunity to do that again. So make sure, guys, you give this video a like if you want to see that giveaway. Please leave me a comment down below. What did you think of this collection? I want to hear your thoughts. Are you disappointed? Are you overwhelmed and excited like I am? Definitely let me know. I love chatting with you guys. And please, guys, make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.